If you're looking into gold IRAs, you're probably wondering if this is the best way to protect your wealth in uncertain times. Well, you're in the right place because today we'll break down everything you need to know about gold IRAs, especially if you're nearing retirement or are already there. First off, what exactly is a gold IRA? Simply put, it's an individual retirement account where the assets are in the form of physical gold or other precious metals like silver, platinum, or palladium. Now, why would you want to use gold in your retirement account? The primary reason is that gold has historically been a safe haven asset. It holds its value, and when the economy is shaky, gold often does better than stocks or bonds. If you've been concerned about inflation, stock market volatility, or the possibility of a recession, a gold IRA might be exactly what you need to protect your wealth. Now, you might be asking, why not just buy gold coins or bullion directly? Well, the beauty of a gold IRA is that it offers the same benefits of owning physical gold, but with the added tax advantages of a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. This means you can defer taxes on the gains if it's a traditional IRA or withdraw tax-free if it's a Roth. So you're not only protecting your wealth, but you're also saving on taxes. But what about other types of investments like stocks or bonds? While they may have their place in a well-rounded portfolio, the thing about stocks is that they can be incredibly volatile. And bonds, while safer, don't typically offer the same potential for growth as gold does, especially in times of economic instability. So when you're thinking long-term retirement, especially for those who are already in or approaching retirement, gold IRAs stand out as an excellent option for preserving your wealth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings, and you'll want to get all the details on how to do that too. It's a quick, no-commitment way to learn about the benefits of gold and how you can use it to diversify your portfolio. So, how do you get started with a gold IRA? First, you'll need to choose a reputable custodian. These are the companies that will help set up and manage your gold IRA. But be careful, some custodians can be a little too aggressive in pushing high fee options or even overpriced gold. The key is finding a company that offers transparency and offers gold at reasonable prices, which is something we'll touch on in your free guide. Once you've got a custodian, you'll open an account and fund it just like any other IRA. After that, you can choose the type of gold or precious metals you want to hold in your account. You can invest in gold bullion, coins, or even certain gold-backed ETFs that meet IRA standards. But again, keep in mind that this isn't a typical stock or bond. You're investing in real physical gold, which means you need a custodian who will store it safely in a secure, IRS-approved facility. One of the benefits that gold IRAs offer retirees is a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, so does the value of gold. This is something that traditional savings or investment accounts can't always provide. Gold has been used as a store of value for thousands of years, and in times like these, it's often the most reliable way to hold on to your wealth. Now, if you've got at least 100Ks in an IRA or 401k or even 5 million plus in savings, a gold IRA can be the perfect way to ensure that your hard-earned wealth lasts through retirement. I can't emphasize this enough. For Americans looking to preserve their wealth long-term, especially retirees, a gold IRA should be part of the conversation. So, if you haven't already, make sure to click that first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's packed with all the information you need to get started, and you'll see why this is one of the best moves you can make for your financial future. Remember, it's about protecting your wealth in times of uncertainty, and gold is one of the most reliable ways to do that. If you're a retiree with 100K, 1 NEMers, or more in savings, don't wait. Protect your wealth today with a gold IRA. Trust me, this move could make all the difference.